107.7. We're streaming live from our studio here at Adesawe Kanda and also in Tamale at Kesmi 107.1 FM. My name is Nura Mohammed. Coming up this morning, transport unions suspend 30% fare hike after talks as they warn there could be increases if fuel prices rise further. Also, 5 members of parliament reintroduce bill seeking to amend Criminal Offences Act 1960 Act 29 to prohibit individuals from declaring, accusing, naming or labeling another person as a witch. Details of these and some other stories coming up shortly. Now, 5 members of parliament have reintroduced a bill seeking to amend the Criminal Offences Act 1960 Act 29 to prohibit individuals from declaring, accusing, naming or labeling another person as a witch. This law was first passed in July 2023 but did not receive presidential assent and died with the 8th Parliament. My colleague Christian Yala reports that the House has also started commentary on the 2026 mid-year budget report. Let's take a listen.
Beyond the primary targets of making it a crime to label, accuse, or name another person as a witch, the Criminal Offences Amendment Bill is also geared towards outlawing the old practice of witch finders and witch doctors, while strengthening legal protection for victims of such allegations. Former President Akufo-Addo declined to assent to it when it was first passed by the 8th Parliament in July 2023, but it has made a comeback. There are fresh sponsors like Kwame Anyumedu entry, but it still has 5 legislators pushing it. Human rights and civil society groups have over the years been advocating for stronger legislations to protect victims and vulnerable groups against witchcraft accusations, which often and disproportionately target older women in parts of northern Ghana. It is expected that its passage and assent will help protect vulnerable groups from violence, discrimination, and other human rights abuses linked to witchcraft accusations.
Meanwhile, the GPRTU has suspended its proposed 30% transport fare increase as government faces growing pressure to cushion consumers against rising fuel prices. The Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies, COMAC, is calling for the temporary removal of the additional 1 Ghana cedi levy on every litre of fuel, warning that further price increases could follow if international markets and exchange rate pressures persist. Petrol is currently selling at about 14.68 Ghana cedis per litre at major outlets, while diesel has risen to 17.71 Ghana cedis. The latest increases have renewed concerns over Ghana's dependence on imported refined petroleum products and calls for the revival of the Tema oil refinery to reduce the country's vulnerability to external shocks. Samuel Amoy is deputy spokesperson of the Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRTU.
The Transport Ministry call the leadership of the transport unions that they should hold on with the proposed 30% increment, and that what we are asking the government to do, government is putting some mechanism in place to make sure that the fuel price will be stabilized. So we also decided to hold on as they are saying, but the next price window is just around the corner. Hopefully by Friday, another window will open. Our investigations has proven to us that it's likely the fuel prices may go up again. So we just want to remain calm, waiting for Friday, what will happen at the pump. Then we also know what to do.
That's it for the morning news. Business is up next. Stay tuned.